So I want to share a really simple technique for managing and reducing stress. First thing in the morning, create yourself a stress-reducing mantra. As you breathe in, say something, I breathe in calm and I breathe out calm. If you do that for 2 minutes in the morning, you're setting up your nervous system to be calmer rather than frazzled. During the day, when you can, stop every hour and for 2 minutes, consciously breathe. This takes the focus out of your busy head. You're calming your nervous system. And when you add in a mantra, I breathe in calm, I breathe out calm, words have power, and the word calm has a completely different energy to stress. So you're instructing your subconscious mind, your body, to be calm. When you do that, it helps your heart, which actually controls your autonomic nervous system, to regulate and become coherent. And when your heart is coherent, it starts to switch off stress hormones. It's a super simple way to give your nervous system a break, to recalibrate, to get out of your head and have more space and clarity to move forward. Super, super important. And when you add to this, might sound strange and it's helpful, simply stroke an arm or your hand. And when you do that, your body produces oxytocin, which we call the cuddle hormone. When your body produces oxytocin, it's another great resource as an antidote for stress. So there you have it, a really simple technique backed by science and neuroscience that works when you use it regularly. So please practice it and make sure that you practice it often so that it becomes a habit and something that you just normally do throughout your day to give your nervous system a break. That's it. Thank you.